Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, like my video and share my video.
Hello friends, today I am going to explain how to create earning for employees pay head in Tally ERP9. Regarding this, today I am going to explain. Okay friends, so note down these reference notes. List of earnings for employees pay heads. First one, basic salary. Next, DA, H.R.A. DA means dearness allowances. H.R.A means house rent allowances. Fourth one, conveyance. Fifth one, overtime. Sixth one, LTA, leave travel allowances. Seventh one, variable pay. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. What is basic salary? Basic salary is the base income of an individual. Basic salary is the amount paid to employees before any reductions or increases due to overtime or bonus allowances. What is DA? Dearness allowances is cost of living adjustment allowance which the government pays to the employees of the public sector as well as pensioners of the same. DA component of the salary is applicable to employees in India. Dearness allowances can be basically understood as a component of salary which is some fixed percentage of the basic salary aimed at hedging the impact of inflation. Since DA is directly related to the cost of living, the DA component is different for different employees based on their location. This means DA is different for employees in the urban sector, semi-urban sector or the rural sector. Next one. What is H.R.A? House rent allowances. House rent allowances is a salary component paid by employer to employees for meeting the accommodation expenses of renting a place for residential purposes. H.R.A forms an integral component of a person's salary. H.R.A is applicable to both salaried as well as self-employed individuals. H.R.A for salaried people is accounted for under Section 10, subsection 13A of the Income Tax Act in accordance with Rule 2A of Income Tax Rules. Similarly, self-employed individuals are not considered for H.R.A exemption under this section but can claim tax benefits under Section 80GG of the Income Tax Act. Next one. What is conveyance? Conveyance allowances, also called transport allowances, is a type of allowance offered to employees of a company to compensate for their travel from residence to and from respective workplace location. Allowances are generally offered to employees on top of their basic salary component and may or may not be taxable as per the Income Tax Act. Next one. What is overtime? Overtime means an additional number of hours worked by an employee that overtakes the normal working schedule. The remuneration of overtime depends on the company's payroll policy. However, certain regulation under few acts concerns overtime payment of employees, workers and laborers. Next one. What is leave travel allowances? LTA. Leave travel allowances or LTA is a type of allowance given to the employee by employers for travel. It covers within country travel cost when he or she is on leave from work. So last one. What is variable pay? Variable pay is compensation given to an employee based on the results of their performance. So here performance means target. So company will give target to the employee. Suppose he reached the target, then they will give a commission. So that commission is called variable pay. For example, salesman. Okay. It is usually offered in addition to the employee's fixed salary and comes in various forms. Okay, now we move to tally. So go to the gateway of tally, select payroll info, press enter button. So this is the gateway of tally. Select payroll info. I have already selected. Press enter. You will get payroll info menu. So in this menu, employee groups, employees, unit, attendance, production type, pay head, salary detail, income tax detail, voucher types. So here we have to select pay head. See here, pay head. When you press enter, you will get this screen. Select, create and press enter. Pay head, create. So now create one by one. That is basic salary. Basic salary. Pay head type, earning for employees. Income type, fixed. Under indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, basic salary. Use for gratuity, set to yes. Gratuity is calculated on the basis of basic salary and DA. So that's why you have to set it here, yes. Use for gratuity, set to yes. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. Set to yes. Select basic salary in the list of income tax component. Tax calculation basis on projected value, on actual value. So whichever you want, you take it. Calculation type on attendance. So today we are going to creating payroll on the basis of attendance. That's why you have to select attendance. Attendance leave with pay, that is present. Don't select it, because here suppose employee is absent, company will deduct his salary for the day. Okay, so that's why here you have to select not applicable. Leave without pay, this is very important. You have to select absent. Calculation period, take month. Per day calculation as per calendar period. That means some months 30 days are there, some month 31 days are there. In February 28 or 29 days are there. Suppose you select this option, it will calculate according to the month days. Okay. Rounding method, normal rounding, limit 1. So next one, DA. DA, pay head type, earning for employees. Income type, fixed. Under indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, DA. Use for gratuity, yes. Set alter income tax detail, yes. Select dearness allowances in the list of income tax component on projected value as computed value. So as computed value means DA component is calculated on another pay head component, that is basic. DA will calculated on basic. That's why you have to select as computed value. As user defined value means that is depend upon proprietor. So has his wish. So he will decide what is the DA amount for this employee, this employee, this employee, like that. Okay, flat rate, fixed rate. On attendance, so what we are doing now, on attendance as per the attended on number of days. On production means so how much units he has manufactured. Okay, so here you have to select as computed value. Normal rounding, rounding method, normal rounding, limit 1. Select as on specified formula. On specified formula means same to as computed value. Select basic salary, end of list. amount greater than leave it, amount up to leave it. Slab type select percentage, value base is 40%. So here I am typing only examples. But when you are working, at that time you have to type proper percentage of DA. Okay, accept. So next one, house rent allowances, H.R.A. Earning for employees, income type fixed, under indirect expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, H.R.A. Use for gratuity, no. Set alter income tax detail, yes. Select house rent allowances. On projected value, deduct TDS across period, yes. Calculation type as computed value. Rounding method, normal rounding, limit 1. Select unspecified formula, select basic salary, end of list, percentage 20%. So next one, conveyance. Earning for employees, income type fixed, under indirect expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, conveyance. Use for gratuity, no. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. Select transport allowances in the list of income tax components. Calculation type as user defined value, because conveyance is differ from employees to employee, that is decided by the proprietor. That's why you have to select as user defined value, accept. Overtime. Create overtime. Earning for employees, fixed, under indirect expenses. Affect net salary. Suppose you want to change this one variable also. Okay. This is differ from period to period. Under indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, overtime. Use for gratuity, no. Set alter income tax details, set to yes. Select other earnings other earnings or allowances within bracket fully taxable. Overtime is a taxable component on projected value. Calculation type as user defined value. Oh, sorry friend, I made one big mistake. Overtime. This is on production. Okay, on production. Production type overtime. Rounding method normal rounding, limit 1. Okay, sorry for that. So watch this carefully. Overtime. Pay head type, earning for employees, income type variable, under indirect expenses, affect to net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, overtime. Use for gratuity, no. Set alter income tax detail, yes. Calculation type on production. Production type overtime. Yes, it is already selected. On production, overtime, normal rounding, limit 1, accept. So next one, variable pay. Variable pay. Earning for employees, variable, income type variable, under indirect expenses, affect net salary, yes. Name to appear in payslip, variable pay. use for gratuity now, settled income tax detail, other earnings or allowances fully taxable, calculation type as user defined value, that is depend upon proprietor. Accept. Okay friends, you got it, how to create earning for employees pay head in Tally ERP9. I hope you understood. Okay, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.